Welcome back students. Let us continue the lesson, that is word processor and introduction. First of all, let me open Microsoft Word. Click on start, click on all programs, click on Microsoft Office, then click on Microsoft Word 2010. So Microsoft Word window gets open. Okay, so this is the Microsoft Word window. So in today's session we are going to learn how to open a document. In the sense, already if you have saved any files in your system and if you want to work in that file, so that file has to open first, then we can continue the work in that file. So to open an existing file, click on file, then click on open option. So when you click on open option, here open dialog box gets open. So in this open dialog box you just locate the file. Okay, locate the file and you will select the file which you want to open. Okay, for example, I will select second unit test November 2019. Then click on, after selecting a file, just click on open button, so that file gets open. Okay, so this is the file. Now I have opened it by using open option. So the same option, open option, can be accessed by using quick access toolbar. So this is a quick access toolbar. So in this we have open button. So just click on that open button and you choose a desired file, the file which you want to open, then click on open. So that file gets open. You can see here already. So previous file is also open, and now so this file, second file, I opened it. So in this way you can open an existing files, and the shortcut keys to open an existing file is Ctrl plus O. So when you press Ctrl O, for example, see here, I will open a keyboard. In this keyboard, when you press Ctrl and O button, you will get open dialog box. So in this open dialog box, just choose a file, then click on open button. Okay, so just click on open button, file gets open. So in this way you can use a shortcut key also. Shortcut key to open a file is Ctrl O. Okay. The next point is closing a document. So after finishing your work, if you want to close your file, so in that case just click on file. Okay, just click on file menu. So in a file menu you have a close option. Okay, just select the close option. So file got closed, only file got closed, not a application window. So let me open one file by using open option. Okay, and select computer person. Now for example, if you have done any changes here, for example, see here, what I will do, I will give one space. So that is one change I have done in this file. Then when you click on file and when you click on close button, then here Word asks you to save the changes. Okay, so you will get the warning message. So in this warning message, so Word is asking you to save your changes, whatever the changes you have done. So one space is also change. Okay, I have given just one space. So then just click on save button, so that change will be saved and file gets closed. And if you don't want to save that changes, in that case click on don't save button, or if you want to continue your work, then click on cancel button. So when you click on cancel button, you can continue your work in this same file. I'll click on save button now, so that change also got saved and that file also got closed. So in this way you can close the document. So click on file and click on close button. Okay, for example, see, third standard I have opened. So when you click on file and when you click on close button, so this file, so this document gets closed. And if you want to learn the shortcut key, for example, so this file is not existing. So let me open 4-5 computer. Now I want to close this file by using shortcut key. So to use a shortcut, see here, you have to press Ctrl W. Okay, so when you press Ctrl W, so this file gets closed. Okay, so this file gets closed. See, Ctrl W. So file got closed. So you can use this shortcut key to close the document. Okay. Next, if you want to exit the Microsoft Word, exiting means closing entire application. So if you want to exit, so when we are going to exit, when we finish our work, so then only we are going to exit, or we are going to close this Word window. Once you have finished the work, you can exit the Microsoft Word application. Once the work gets over, then you can close this Microsoft Word window. Okay, you can close this window by using this close button, or you can click on file and you can click on exit. You can follow any one method. Okay, so just click on file. I'll show you this method. Click on file and click on exit. So Word window gets closed. So another option is here. So on top right corner you have red color button, so that is a close button. You can press that close button also. Okay. Word window gets open. And if you want to close this window by using the shortcut key, by using the keyboard shortcut key, see what is the shortcut I am going to show you. I want to close this window by using shortcut key. So let me activate the function keys. You have to press Alt plus F4. I hope you have understood. You have to press Alt F4 to close a document window. Okay, to close Microsoft Word application, just press Alt F4. So these are the points. One is opening a document, closing a document, and exiting MS Word. So here ends your lesson. If you have any queries, any doubts, you can ask me at any time. Thank you for watching.